Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is your boy Botshelo Sello. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today, we're gonna check our weekly setups. We're gonna see which pairs we're gonna take entries for the week. So I'm gonna start with AUD CAD. So I have this for the biggest structure. Let me just go to the weekly time frame first. As you can see, this is a continuation to the upside. So our 90% rule, our target will be here, but for now, as you can see, it did the reversal pattern. So expecting, let me go to the daily time frame. As you can see, it's a reversal pattern. We're expecting our third touch somewhere here. It's gonna be somewhere here. This is what's going to happen on AUD CAD. This is what we'll be waiting for. As now we're in our sell and we sold the pair. So this is what's gonna happen. So I'll just go down to the 4 hour. As you can see, this is a reversal pattern, so that means we're gonna hit our 90% rule, then we get our third touch, then we know we're going to the upside. As you can see correctly here, it also did the reversal pattern. I will just go to the daily time frame. As you can see the structure, so now we're in the sell. You're just waiting for the third touch, maybe it can be somewhere here, but we're just waiting for our third touch, then we know we're going to the upside. Let me just go to the daily time frame, to the 1 hour time frame. As you can see on the 1 hour time frame, there were too much rejections here, then I knew that we're going to the upside. It came and broke here, the big candlestick, then came and went for a retest, then after a retest, then we're going down. As you can see, this is a beautiful structure. On AUD CAD. This is a beautiful structure. You can as you can see here, this is our reversal pattern, so we're expecting a third touch somewhere there, then we know we're still moving to the upside. So the second pair we're gonna check is gold. So as you can see, let me just go down. So let me go to the daily. So it shouldn't confuse you guys. My pattern shouldn't confuse you. As you can see, this is a continuation pattern to the upside, but what we have now is we have a reversal pattern. So we know with a reversal pattern we're going to the downside, so we're expecting also a third touch here on gold. But for now it broke, so now it's going for a retest. So now it's going for a retest. Let me just show you on the 4 hour time frame. Now it's going for a retest. As you can see here, the structure here, this is a reversal pattern, so it broke the structure. Now it's coming for a retest. I'll just go down to the 1 hour so you can see clearly. So it broke here, now it's coming for a retest, so obviously I will enter it maybe here when it does the third touch. Let me just go down to the 1 hour so you can see what I'm talking about. As you can see, this is a reversal pattern. So also here I took a sell, but it was a short sell. Then here it started creating a pattern, then I saw that this is a continuation pattern, so I did take a buy here. My stop loss was around 15 pips, so my target will be here. After it hits my target, then I know that I'm gonna enter my sell entries. Then I will hold until, just want to show you, my first target obviously is going to be here on the 90% rule, then maybe my second target will be somewhere here. So you should just watch it carefully. But I'm in profits now. I'm in profit as we speak, so I'm expecting a third touch. Somewhere here. This is a retest for gold. This is a retest, and then we know that we're going to the downside. So it shouldn't confuse you guys, some of these patterns here, because obviously I also go down to the 1 hour time frame just to check how the pattern is, or on the 15 minutes time frame. So this is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting a third touch here for a retest, or it can touch here on the trend line, whichever how, but I'll be waiting for a big sell for it. So I'll be expecting a third touch somewhere here. Then we know we're going to the downside. As you can see here, it broke powerfully and nicely, so we're just expecting a retest. Then that's when we can put our sell entries. So the other pair we're gonna check is GBP JPY. GBP JPY still having the same setup, still want a big sell. As you can see, this bigger structure, it broke, came for a retest, then it's going down. Let me just go down to the 15-minute time frame. Also here there is a reversal pattern. Let me just start with this one first. Here also there's a first touch, second, third touch, then we know we're gonna break. Then it did break, then it created a pattern, another reversal pattern. So it also broke, did the 90% through. So I just want to see here what's gonna happen. Maybe we can do something like this. Maybe go to the upside. Just watch it carefully, but I'm looking for the sell entries. On gold I'm looking for sell entries, so I'll just check it carefully. Maybe we can do something like this, a pattern to the upside. Maybe can do another reversal pattern, but I will just look at it and see how it goes. But on GBP/JPY I'm looking for sell entries. As you can see, the momentum is to the upside. This is an impulse, this is correction, then impulse, another correction, impulse, maybe another correction, then impulse. So this pair will give us a lot of profit. You just have to be careful because it has a high pip value, especially for those who have small accounts. You just need to be extremely careful with pairs like GBP/JPY and gold. So the other pair we're gonna check is NAS 100, nasdaq. As you can see here, let me just go to the 4 hour. As you can see, it broke the structure and came for a retest, but it rejected here, so meaning it was a strong zone. Here. So what we're expecting for nasdaq is to do this. Then after here, then we're going to the upside. Let me just go down to the 1 hour time frame, but I see that you cannot see. Let me just go down to the 15-minute time frame. So this is what I'm expecting for NAS 100. I'm expecting a break here. This is for the 15 minutes time frame. A break, then a retest. That's when I'll enter my entries. Then to the downside. So here will be my first target. This will be my first TP. Let me just go down to the 1 hour. Actually, let me go to the 4 hour. Then my second target will be here. This is for NAS 100. As you can see, it's moving nicely. structure broke, came for a retest. The zone was too strong, so it went up, it went down, as you can see. Let me just remove these old ones here, this shouldn't confuse you. As you can see, this is what I'm expecting for NAS 100. She rejected nicely here, showing us that we're going to the downside, but I'll be waiting for a break here, then I'll enter it when it comes for a retest. Then I know that we're going to the downside. As you can see, the structure, this is an impulse from the top, impulse correction, then another impulse, then this is another correction, then another impulse, then we're going down to a 90% through. Then we're going here on 90% through, or 90% target. It's gonna be here. So the other pair that we're gonna check is AUD CAD. No, sorry, USDCHF. As you remember, let me just go down to the daily. As you remember, I still have a continuation pattern to the upside for USDCHF. As you can see, this is the biggest structure. As you can see, this is the first, second and third touch, and here is another continuation pattern, just to confirm that we're going to the upside. And here also is another continuation pattern to show us that we're going to the upside. But for now, I'm seeing, let me go to the 4 hour time frame first. For now, I'm seeing a reversal pattern, so meaning the price might come up to here, but I see that the momentum is to the upside. But when I see a pattern, I listen to the market, what it's telling me. So this is the this is the 15-minute time frame. Here, this was a continuation pattern to the upside, so I did enter when it came for a retest, then took my profits here. This was my target, but I saw that it's creating a reversal pattern to the downside now. As you can see, it's creating a reversal pattern, so meaning it's gonna do something like this. It's gonna do a break, but I can see that the momentum is to the upside, so you have to be extremely careful with pairs like this. You have to be extreme, because here you can do our target here. One thing I know about trades like this is, if the momentum is to the upside, they can break, come for a retest, and just touch our 90% rule and leave a big wick. Then it goes back to the upside, because the momentum is to the upside. As you can see now, what USDCHF is doing. As you can see, I need to evolve. Just have to wait for the candlestick to close. But you see the strong momentum I was telling you about, that sometimes it has a strong momentum. So it's just, I just need to evolve the pattern again. Maybe it can do something like this, if I'm correct. Maybe touch here, let me just show you. So the momentum for this pair is to the upside, as you can see now, guys. Maybe we can do something like this, like this. Let me just evolve this, something like this, and then maybe go for the third touch. Then maybe that's when you can, maybe that's when you can't. Then then that's when you can go to the downside. But for now, I'll just have to wait for it and check it out properly. Then I would evolve the pattern as it goes. I have to evolve the other pattern to check this year's gold. Let's check gold. I'm sure it's doing something like that now. Let me just remove this. You see, we know the momentum for gold is to the downside for now, but there's a big rejection here and it was supposed to come here, but we'll see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. I'm on break even. It won't take me out, so I'm expecting a third touch here. But one thing I don't like about entering the same pair is that if one goes wrong, then the other does the same thing. Because I saw that the USD is weak, but as you can see now, it's gaining power. It has power now. Even this one, it's changing now. It's going to the downside. That's one thing I don't like, entering the same pair, because it has a lot of disadvantage. If you enter 3 trades, then if that pair gains power, then you know all of your pairs are wrong. So that's why I try not to enter the same pairs. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please comment down below and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Enjoy your day.